3. In this video, I'll show you how to add a payment button in Wix. Start by signing into your Wix account and open the website you want to edit. Next, click Edit Site to open the Wix Editor. After that, click the Add Elements button on the left side of the editor. Now scroll down and select Button, then choose the button style you want to add to your page. Next, drag the button onto your page and place it where you want visitors to see it. After that, click the button and select Settings or Link. Now choose where the button should take visitors. If you're linking to a Wix payment page, select the appropriate page. If you're using Wix stores, pricing plans, bookings, or an external payment service, choose the corresponding option or paste the payment URL. Next, customize the button text to something like Buy Now, Pay Now, or Checkout. After that, adjust the button's design, size, colors, and font to match your website. Now click Preview to test the button and make sure it opens the correct payment page or checkout experience. Finally, click Publish to make your changes live so visitors can start using the payment button. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add a payment button in Wix. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.